overnight 2026 nini 22 February 2026 te nini 1st March 2026 duita exam TPSC ni oboni bagai je suggested ba important je current affair ni topic musuk porika hangkai nongo oro rijak naidi new government scheme and welfare project oboni tui nang naidi central and state abo launch kaimane bini object tamo bukoro launch kai te bini object tamo এরপরে economic policy FDI sense inflation trade fiscal health বা MSME related overall abon pore nini budget highlight taxation update overall latest budget proposal policy shift overall law and governance nini major amendment bill pass criminal justice reform overall nini current affair topic important obon bising no naitong ni paithak jara obon bising no phainai te baire ni area important appointment te award overall ke leadership sense national award recognized news overall international leadership obon bising hongka hangkai global summit agreement G20 rock COP meeting overall outcome Indian rule overall bilateral relation Indian overall awan pore nini economic finance ni bisingo budget economic indicator GDP growth drop inflation unemployment report drop international trade missing agreement FTA update overall banking finance sector reform new bank policy RBI update digital payment overall science and technology missing ISRO mission space update new satellite launch Kaimarok space mission overall ICT and innovation policy in bisingo digital public overall environment and ecology in bisingo climate agreement COP 28 outcome net zero commitment overall conservation effort biodiversity framework pollution control all topic wrong ni bisingo nini question ri khajangnai erpore sport culture award ni bisingo international sport event achievement overall erpore cultural recognition UNESCO heritage nini ecolet major culture policy overall nini mission tantong important day theme important day theme world environment day rogo bio observation overall human international story rock major award community and for disaster management public safety major cop response ND RF update overall airport specific notice Tripura state government policy scheme new Tripura Assam state scheme overall notice peace development connectivity plan Assam Meghalaya regional border issue overall business area ekai nang overall ni bisingo naikang kaino overall bisingo nono check khainai ekai jengtai chapini detail lasung nainai oro tamu kok saka major decision policy ni national political governments ni major decision policy Election Commission of India bro important bill and act pass of parliamentary war change in criminal law of amendment overall important appointment overall in election commission erpore Indian economic budget ni bisingo sungtaking je a topic ni highlight of Indian budget overall report reserve bank overall GDP digital report UPI erpore new taxation government skip MSW angteng sakaban bini detail no erpore Indian role G20 meeting outcome of United Nation climate change overall in nini overall breeze overall natuyai ega orang bising nana nini karane peri nai science and technology latest mission overall naika Aditya Chandrayaan Aditya overall natuyai information artificial intelligence aba 5G 6G development obrok engkai abon pore Indian net zero committee abo wildlife conservation abonoti rogo nini major cyclone national green tribunal obrok sport award nini Indian performance major tournament obrok cricket Olympic national sport award rock Padma award nini Arjun award ত্রিপুরা নোটিস ফোকাস হব বিশেষ করে ত্রিপুরা স্টেট বাজেট নিউ স্কিম ত্রিপুরা নি border trade development notice our topic important our missing question kane autonomic and district council update of forest tribal welfare of science issue social issue government Ayushman Bharat update of women empowerment new education policy NEP in abrong tuyoy census population related update abrong okay karena ke topik oban bising ni rinai gaban nai paidi একে ঠিক আছে